In this video, we compare HS360S GPS Drone and DJI Mini 4 Pro combo. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The HS360S GPS Drone by Holy Stone is an extremely lightweight and compact model, weighing less than 250 grams, thus eliminating the need for FAA or remote ID registration in the United States. Equipped with a 1/3 print CMOS GalaxyCore Sensor and a 4K 85-degree wide-angle camera, the drone can capture stunning 3840 by 2160p photos and 4K videos, offering an exciting new perspective for your creativity. The drone features advanced connection technology that allows you to connect your smartphone to the controller using just one data cable, providing real-time image streaming without the need for Wi-Fi. The HS360S has an impressive control range of up to 10,000 feet, thanks to Holy Stone's advanced intelligent control system, and its modular battery supports 20 minutes of flight time. The drone's precise GPS positioning ensures stable flight and a safe return home function, allowing the drone to find its way back to you when the battery runs low or the connection breaks up. The HS360S drone is user-friendly with the latest Holy Stone intelligent control system, offering beginner mode and optical flow positioning to help novices practice drone control skills. The DJI Mini 4 Pro combo is a lightweight drone that doesn't require registration for recreational use, making it an ideal choice for beginners and hobbyists. It offers stunning 4K 60fps HDR video capabilities, capturing striking footage of sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with remarkable clarity. The drone features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and providing a safer flying experience. With the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the DJI Mini 4 Pro can achieve extended flight times of up to 45 minutes per battery, enabling longer, uninterrupted flights. The drone provides real-time, high-quality aerial footage with 20-kilometer FHD video transmission, offering immersive, lag-free viewing experiences. The DJI Mini 4 Pro also offers customizable intelligent tracking with active shots 360 degrees, making it easy to capture smooth, professional-grade videos. The HS360S GPS Drone and the DJI Mini 4 Pro combo are both highly capable drones that cater to different consumer needs. Both drones are lightweight and do not require FAA or remote ID registration, making them accessible to hobbyists and beginners. The HS360S, with its 1/3 pint CMOS GalaxyCore Sensor and 4K wide-angle camera, provides excellent image quality and a unique perspective on your surroundings. The DJI Mini 4 Pro, on the other hand, is capable of capturing striking 4K 60fps HDR videos, making it ideal for capturing sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes. In terms of safety features, the DJI Mini 4 Pro stands out with its omnidirectional obstacle sensing, significantly reducing the risk of collisions, while the HS360S relies on precise GPS positioning for stable flight and a safe return home function. The DJI Mini 4 Pro also offers a longer flight time of up to 45 minutes per battery compared to the HS360S's 20 minutes. However, the HS360S impresses with a control range of up to 10,000 feet, significantly more than that of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. In terms of user-friendliness, the HS360S features an advanced control system with a beginner mode and optical flow positioning to help novices practice drone control skills, whereas the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers customizable intelligent tracking with active shots 360 degrees for smooth professional-grade videos. Overall, the HS360S GPS drone is an excellent option for beginners and those interested in photography, while the DJI Mini 4 Pro combo is a great choice for more experienced users and those who prioritize safety features and extended flight times.